everybody, welcome to Bass Breakdown. We're going to do something slightly different today with a computer game, Grand Theft Auto San Andreas theme. And without further stalling, let's get on with it. In the end, I'm going to give you two key points, good to know, to pay attention to. But I'm sure if you are doing this, you will get the hang of it. It's quite easy. So let's start on the A string, first fret. G, first fret, open. D, first. E again, first. 3. And then two half notes on the third fret E string, and that's the whole part. So again, slower. And that's it. That's the entire main theme. Two key points. In the beginning, you're not going to play the first two notes. You don't play it. It just start out like. So there you have it, and in the end it will go and we end on 3. Open, and that's it. There you have the whole theme. You can play it endlessly, really. It's just fun, it has a nice bass. If you are with some friends and you can play the bass line, maybe they can improvise some catchy tunes onto it, who knows. Have fun with it.